morning. Hi.
Woohoo! So it's our first and only full day in New York City, but the weather's going to be good today. No rain and probably sunny.
Sunny and dry.
That's what we're hoping. So now we're just going to figure out our plan or our route for getting to Times Square because we want to buy TKTS Broadway tickets. So we're at 28th here on the green line and we have to go to Times Square. Okay, so we could go up to Grand Central Terminal and then switch to the blue line, Bubba.
Okay.
The blue or purple.
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Woo! New York.
Hey, where are we?
Times Square!
Oh yeah!
Look at the line for TKTS. We're trying to find the start of the line. I think it's here, Bubba.
Where?
I think it's here.
Oh, that's us, this guy.
Okay. This is the line for musicals. We're gonna see how long this takes.
Okay, it's 10:14.
10:14 a.m. right now.
Yeah. We're almost there. Yeah. We've decided we're gonna go for Jersey Boys first.
Yeah.
Then
Big Fish second.
and then Wands, right?
Yeah, Wands third.
Let's see what we can get.
We made it to the front of the line. What time is it?
10:55.
10:55. So that took 40 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not bad for how long the line is.
Yeah, just
got a
very long.
smooth running ship here.
Yeah.
We just survived this massive queue.
So tell us about it. What happened?
We got tickets to see Big Fish the musical. So I'm excited. We found this really cool Forever 21 cam in Times Square.
Yeah, it's very interactive.
Let's see if I can zoom in on us. Oh man. Oh, there we are, there we are. Timmy's waving.
Hi.
Oh, excuse me, it's just so bright out here.
Hey there, Slick McSlickster.
Hey there, Bubba.
Looking good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Feeling cool, I'm feeling cool.
Got your New York swag on, huh?
Timmy also has swag.
Yeah.
Swag.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to a sandwich shop, a Cambodian sandwich shop for lunch.
Bring on the pulled pork.
Yeah. Why the long face?
You know, you have this idea in your head that you're gonna get this amazing sandwich, which it is. Then you look at what your friends got or your wife's got or someone else that's sitting next to you has. And your heart just kind of goes, oh man.
You haven't even tasted it yet.
I know, but let's have a look here.
The pulled pork sandwich.
Which has more vegetables on it than pulled pork.
That's good for you. It's a message for the new year.
Oh man. And look at what Mrs. Sinky has.
I got the ginger brisket.
Oh my gosh.
Bon appetito.
Bon appetito. What do you think? Good. Mine is incredible. It's really good.
You judged too quickly before.
Yeah, but the beef does look succulent though. Can't wait to sink my teeth into a piece of that.
Mine. Crossing the street and came across
good old Cookie Monster and Ella.
You've got that look in your eyes. It's the kind that electrifies. You put a surge through my body. Won't you come close to me tonight? Every time you do, I come alive. You send a shock through my system. You light up my life. Electricity, like the New York City lights. Electricity, this love we've got, you and I.
There we go.
And how ironic, it's right across the street from Jersey Boys, which is what we've been wanting to see for like 2 years.
Oh my gosh. Just rub it in there.
Next time, Jersey Boy.
Yeah.
We can't deny there's a charge in the atmosphere.
We just got back to our hotel and we're about to have dinner. We know that there's so much good food in New York, like lots of restaurants, but at the end of the day, we're simple people.
Yeah.
We like
junk
mall
food,
food court food, we like Chipotle,
street food.
yeah, and we like burgers.
Oh.
So at least we're trying something that's authentically New York. We
Shake Shack.
Yeah, went to the Shake Shack, which is just like 5 blocks from our hotel. I got a shroom burger. Tim got their burger with bacon,
smoked
right?
burger. Yeah, smoked
burger. We got fries, and then I got a fair shake, which is a coffee flavored milkshake. Tim got a vanilla shake.
Yeah.
And now we're getting chow down.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Good night.
Good night.
What are you doing? I caught Timmy.
I have.
It doesn't even look that bad. Why are you being self-conscious?
Because I'm shy.
I got Timmy in the elevator. He had taken off his beanie and I was like, oh, haha, you have hat hair. And then I just realized while we were filming that clip, I was like, why'd you put your beanie back on?
Because I'm live on camera.
You look gorge, honey.
Thanks.
Absolutely gorge.
Swag.
By the way, the musical Big Fish was amazing. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I highly recommend it. What did you think of Big Fish?
Great.
Just
Loved
one
it.
thumb up?
No. Well, my hand's in my pocket, so now I'm not to.
Great.
Yeah, fantastic. Very creative. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
It's a bit of a gloomy day.
Yeah, a little bit damp. They forecast rain for the afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we're still exploring.
Yep.
We're still going to be touristy.
Yeah. Yeah, we're at the site of the World Trade Center, and that's the new building.
It rises up into the fog.
Up into the mist. Yeah. Bolt bus heading back to DC.
We're back!
In the D of C.
Very quiet at the station now. I'm wearing contacts, so I want to wear my sunglasses that Timmy got me as our 6-month wedding anniversary gift. I'm really excited. I have to show them. They're Ray-Bans. I've never had Ray-Bans before.
Yeah, they're really styling.
I don't know. I always thought that aviators look kind of weird on me, but I like these ones.
Oh, Slick McSlick.
Timmy calls me Slick when I wear these, which is funny. We've decided that Slick is now my honorary Top Gun name.
Yes.
Because Tim loves Top Gun, and there's a website. It's okay, honey. Be proud. Be proud of
I'm a child of the 80s.
Yeah. So, wait, what's that website?
Oh, I think it's just topgun.com or something.
Okay, well there's a website online where you can type in a bunch of information and then they give you your Top Gun
call sign
name.
Yeah.
So like Tom Cruise in the movie, what was he?
He was Maverick.
He was Maverick, and then what's that other guy's name?
Goose.
There's
He's
Goose.
Rio and Iceman.
Iceman, but who's the actor that plays Iceman?
Val Kilmer.
Yeah, he was Batman. So then I typed in my information and I was so disappointed because they said that my call sign was going to be Whammo. So I was like, that is so embarrassing. Please don't call me Whammo in public. So now I'm Slick.
Oh yeah, Slick McSlickster.
And Timmy's is Bubba, which is perfect because I call him that anyway.
Yeah.